Unlike solids and liquids, gases are very sensitive to pressure, temperature, and volume changes. You are going to be asked what happens to one of those variables when one or both of the others change. And that can be a challenging question. It might sometimes require an actual calculation. But if you are going to change any one of those variables and you're asked to predict how another one changes in response to that change, that can be done relatively easily. Now, many of you will just be able to reason out the answer, and that's fine. But some of you might want some sort of help or aid to determine the right answer. And probably the easiest way I have for that is known as a PTV card. All you need to do is to write P, T, and V in alphabetical order or anti-alphabetical order on a piece of paper. You'll notice I've also poked some holes above each of the letters. So here's how you would use it. Let's say that your problem either makes no mention of temperature or says that the temperature is held constant. Put your pencil in that hole over the T. Now you can see that the paper will teeter. Maybe the question goes on to say that while the temperature is held constant, the pressure increases. So I'm going to allow the pressure to go upwards. There we go. And when the pressure goes up, you can see what happens to the volume. It goes down. And that is the correct relationship between pressure and volume. But let's say you were given a problem that either said the pressure was being held constant or it wasn't mentioned at all, in which case it would have to be held constant. If the temperature were to go up, what would happen to the volume? Well, you can see as the temperature goes up, the volume is going up as well. And that is the correct relationship between the two. And then the last position, either the problem makes no mention of volume or specifically says that the volume is being held constant. What happens, let's say, when the temperature goes down? When the temperature goes down, you can see that the pressure also goes down. So this is a very easy device that you can always construct to always get the pressure, temperature, volume relationship questions